Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about definite article. In the previous video we have seen indefinite articles. Which are the indefinite articles? Do you remember? Article a and an. We use indefinite articles before the single countable noun. Singular noun के पहले यूज करते हैं. Which is the definite article? Article the. Only one article is there. Article the. Where do we use article the? We use before a particular noun. विशेष वस्तु, जानवर, जह, व्यक्ति या प्राणी, इसके पहले आर्टिकल द यूज करते हैं. Now let's see the definition of definite article. Definite articles is used when we refer to specific or particular things. That means it can be used with particular case. Also, it is used with both singular and plural, countable and uncountable nouns. That means it doesn't matter whether singular or plural, countable or uncountable nouns. एकवचन संज्ञा या बहुवचन संज्ञा दोनों में आर्टिकल द यूज करते हैं. काउंटेबल एंड अनकाउंटेबल, दैट मीन्स विच वी कैन काउंट इट इज कॉल्ड काउंटेबल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बुक, पेन, पेंसिल, डेस्क, बेंच एक्सेट्रा. दिस वी कैन काउंट इट. विच वी कैन नॉट काउंट इट इज कॉल्ड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑयल, मिल्क, water, juice, air. All these we cannot count it. These nouns are called uncountable nouns. Dear students, there are some rules to use the article the. There are some rules. We can go through the rules. First, the is used when we talk about a particular noun. The is used when we talk about a particular noun or specific noun. For example, the earth, the house on the corner, the boy I was talking to, the book on the table is mine. All these nouns talk about a particular or specific thing. The second rule, the is also used when we talk about a kind or a class of nouns. For example, the French and the Italian teams are staying in this hotel. Here we are talking about a kind or class of nouns. French and Italian teams. Then next one, when we talk about a person, a place, an animal or a thing for the first time, we use a or an. However, when we talk about it again, we use the. That means the is used when we mention something again. That means once we are already talk about something and again we are talking about the same thing, there we use article the. For example, there is a pond in the park. The pond is full of fish. In the first sentence, we used article a because we are just talking about any pond in general. Here again we are talking about the same pond in the second sentence. So we used article the. Another one, my aunt lives in a cottage. The cottage has a lovely garden. In the first sentence we used article a because we are just talking about a cottage in general. Here again we are talking about the same cottage in the second sentence. So we use article the in the second sentence. Another rule is that the is also used before certain proper nouns such as rivers, mountains, oceans, buildings, books, newspaper and so on. Dear students, have to use article the before the names of unique things. That means the name of the river, ocean, mountain, ships, train, holy books, newspaper, etc. For example, the Ganga, the Himalaya, the Indian Ocean, the Red Fort, the Ajanta and Ellora caves, the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita. It's the name of the holy books. For another examples of the name of rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Nile, the Tapti, etc. The name of the oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean. The name of newspaper, the Hindustan Time. The name of building, the Taj Mahal. Name of the mountain, the Himalaya, etc. Then, dear students, one more thing you have to remember, that we use article the before a common noun. For example, the tiger, the dog, the elephant, the rhinoceros, etc. Some more rules are there which are not mentioned here, that are the is used before the superlative degree. For example, the best, the most, the last, the first. Another rule, the is used before the directions. For example, the west, the east, the south, etc. Now, let's go through some exercise. There was once an old woman who lived in a cottage in a dark forest. The old woman ate only fruits and berries that she found in the forest. Dear students, we used indefinite articles in the first sentence. Do you know what is the reason? The sentence is talking just in a general way. That means it can be any old woman, any cottage, any forest. But in the second sentence, again we are talking about the same old woman and the forest. So we used definite article the. The old woman ate only fruits and berries that she found in the forest. She never left the forest. Again we are talking about the same forest, so we used article the forest. There was a village near the forest. Here the noun village came first time, so we used article a. The people of this village were afraid of the old woman. Again we are telling about the village, so here we used article the people of the village were afraid of the old woman. Again we are talking about the old woman, so we used article the. The villagers believed that she could talk to animals and birds. Again we are talking about the villagers, so we used the villagers believed that she could talk to animals and birds. Dear students, I hope you all have understood where to use article the. Have a nice day. Thank you.